Welcome to the Friday report from FIBO Group. My name is Yuri Tsihush. On Friday, traders will focus on data from the labor market in Canada and the United States. Since the beginning of last year, unemployment in Canada did not exceed 7.2%. In July, rate was 7.1%, which caused some concern for traders. With unemployment remaining about 7% and a false business activity, we may have a better situation, since numbers can create a huge wave of volatility. The Canadian dollar reversed a downtrend since March of this year, and we expect some volatility as traders await the release of this number. The unemployment rate measures the percentage of total labor force that is unemployed but actively seeking employment and willing to work in Canada. A high percentage indicates weakness in the labor market. A low percentage is a positive indicator for the labor market in Canada and should be seen as a positive factor. Expected volatility for these statistics is 50-80 points. Also, the unemployment rate from the United States will be released. As in Canada, this rate has been steadily declining, which shows an improvement in the overall job market in the US economy. This trend also gives traders a positive impression about the economy as a whole and may lend some support to the US dollar if the number comes in about expectations. Trading activity after this news could be from 40 to 70 points. Analyzing Friday, traders should be ready to regain some lost positions or increase their gained profit during the week. So we may not see the usual quietness as we approach the weekend. Thank you everyone, have a nice trading and see you soon.